Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Allow me to introduce myself. My name is Nursiti Kamariajibu, NIM 4424200027. Chemistry A. Ulang. Sakit apa Pak ya? Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Allow me to introduce myself. My name is Nursiti Kamariajibu, NIM 4424200027, kelas Chemistry A. Well, here I will describe module 2 synthesis of calcium sulfate from limestone. Calcium sulfate is one of several sulfates called and is also called gypsum. Like CaCO3 is can from ether as a result of mixing dissimilar water or naturally as a result or change in the temperature as the water travels from the surface to the surface treating facility. The presence of lime, the presence of spark indicates the presence of free limestone. More spark, the more limestone content in the soil. The reaction occurs. Method 1. Experimental tools and materials. Tools: evaporation cup, sieve, mortar and pestle, test tube, vacuum filter, drop pipette, beaker glass, spatula, measuring cup, analytical blanche, and Landmeyer stirring rod, watch glass, oven for nance. Materials: sulfuric acid, aqueous, potassium thiocyanate, sodium oxalate, hydrochloric acid, sodium carbonate, limestone, and nitric acid. This question found as much as 2 grams of limestone has a goal of being vaporized at 900 degrees Celsius temperature. Because the size of the particle radius can affect the velocity of evaporation. By reducing the limestone particles, the heat given to vaporize the limestone can be reduced because it travels faster to the nucleus of smaller particles than larger ones. Warming at 900 degrees Celsius temperature for 1 hour is intended to vaporize carbon dioxide composed in limestone so that the solvent that remain are calcium monoxide solvent. After leaving the furnace, the limestone powder is put in a desiccator to cool quickly to continue the procedure. The heating process at 900 degrees Celsius before mining CaO solid. Furthermore, the cooled limestone powder is mixed with HCl and distilled water, 25 ml HCl and 50 ml aqueous. This process is carried out for 15 minutes while stirring to accelerate between particles so that faster it reacts. Distilled water and HCl present in the powder serve as a cleaner, where this clean impurity then wet CaO is reacted with reagent. It can react perfectly. Then H2SO4 addition to CaO is clean solution, resulting in a product of CaSO4 with a similar reaction. After 15 minutes of submerged, the solution is defiltered and separated by filtration and then emitted by evaporation. Then refilter the white deposit the fram. Next week, the white deposit that is formed, resulting in the weight of the sediment 10167 grams. Further on the qualitative test, the solid formed in the synthesis were extracted slightly and diluted in sulfuric acid and rubbed with KSCN1M, giving the odor with clear a pink solution. The pink color of the solution is a substance found in KeSO4, while the white sediment is a KaSCN2. Then the last one was dissolving synthesis solid by 10 ml of nitric acid, 1, 1 molar NNA2CO3. The result of the reactor product continuously eject small bubbles and small white deposit. Conclusion: limestone is one of the principal sources in the manufacture of calcium sulfate. Since limestone has a high calcium content, the CaSO4 deposit obtained from limestone at this time of the trial is 10167 grams, whereas the quality Z CaSO4 deposits were made clear with sulfuric acid and KCN. There were white deposits and color change into pink, while at the time it was reinjected with nitric acid and sodium carbonate formed white deposit and there was a bubble of gas. CaSO4 deposit weight obtained by 15.835% and Ca deposit gained 14.741%. Thank you.